How to remove Microsoft Teams account from your mobile app. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you guys how to easily remove your Teams account from your phone. First thing you're going to have to do is open up your Teams app and make sure that you are logged into the account that you want to remove. Then you want to head over to the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. And from here you'll find the settings icon right below notification, so just tap on it. And once you get to the settings menu, you will find the option called data and storage. Tap on it and then click on clear app data. Now you'll be taken to its app info where you can clear its app data, go to storage, and then tap on clear data. And after you've done that, you want to go back and go to your profile or your settings. Scroll down until you find accounts. Now just tap on accounts and backup and then manage accounts. Now, once you find your account, you can tap on this remove account button, just tap on it, and you should be able to remove it from your phone. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.